Damn, it looks like a monster. Whoa! It's huge! Whoa, look! It's huge. I don't know if you guys can see me. It's right here. It's more than one. I hear one. Wow! Baby, look! This one just came up. Cuckoo! Wow! It's huge! Yeah. Look! Look over there. There's one right there. Wow! There we go. So pretty. Here's another one. Wow, come. Look at Tyler. Tyler say, wow. Wow. What are these? I don't know what are these.
Same thing than earlier, but
okay, but these are smaller. Wow, hey, look! You saw him? Touch it. Touch it. Mama? He's come and get you. Where is he? Soon coming. Look, look. Wow, look. Wow, look. Wow. Touch him. Touch him. Look. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow. There's a big one over there sleeping. You see him? You see him? Yes, he's sleeping. He's napping. Tell us enough. He's napping and the baby one's right there. Wow. Look at his face. Yes. Yes, they're napping. They're napping. Alright, come on, let's go. You showing him that?
Nemo?
Ah, Nemo! Look! It's a Nemo! It's a Nemo! Go to Nemo! Go Nemo! Nemo! He loves Nemo. Nemo! Nemo! Run to Nemo, run! Nemo! Okay, Nemo! Ella is obsessed with Nemo. Okay, we're going into the aquarium. And this should be interesting. Let's go here. Not here first? You wanna go here first? Okay. Tyler, look! Wow! Touch him. Ah! Fish! Come on, go. Go on. Wow, that one's ugly.
Yeah, families.
Come on. Come, Ty. Bella. Wow. Whoa, that's a stingray.
So
It's long. Huge. That one is ugly. He must be called a Pinocchio fish. Wow. Come. Nemo babies. Look. Lots of Nemo. 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 Nemo? Baby, he saw this and he said, Nemo! See Nemo? Nemo! Nemo! His joy of seeing Nemo is hilarious. Come on, let's go.
They're coming
Snakefish. Taylor, look! Taylor, look! Touch him, Taylor, touch him, touch him! Come. Wow! Come. Wow, Tyler, look at this. You see? Look it up. I don't know how they stand with one foot. Split what?
Look at the
foot, they bend it.
Yeah. Look at here, you can see properly.
Yeah, I see it. They bend it like this. Look how they're standing on one foot. That means you know it's strong. You know that, right? It's crazy how animals can be. Stink though, I'm ready to go. I can't breathe. I can't breathe how stink they are. Damn it. Tella, come. No, come here. Come, let me make you sit properly. Tella, look. Wow. You guys, we're at the dolphin show and it gets so hot. We're about to take off his shirt. So we're just about waiting to see the dolphin show begin in just a few minutes. And it's been going good so far. It's been a really good day. Where's mine? Damn, mine fading away. You can hardly see mine. Let's get a close up. Matching tattoos, you guys. Hilarious. dolphin show and it was late. No, babe?
That's so good.
Yeah, it was really fun. I think Tyler enjoyed it, but I think we had more fun than Tyler. The swimmers were really entertaining. The dolphins were really entertaining. We had so much fun. And now we're heading to see one of two shows. Either the penguins or I think white bears. Nap, baby, nap. And Tyler wants a nap. So he's in his stroller taking a nap. So he shall miss whatever we're going to see right now. But yeah, it's been a good day so far. So let's go see this next animal. And I think the thing is that they have the program for the day so that you can see almost all the activities that they have. So what happens is that when one show finish, then everybody just move to the next show. So if you see there's a bunch of people behind me and there's a bunch of people in front of me, so everybody's heading, I think, to the same place. So that way you get your money's worth for the day. And he's huge. There he is, he's right here. And Tyler would love this, but he's sleeping. Tyler loves turtles. There are turtles over there.
Bon, sortez un peu d'eau, non, un peu là, vous avez pas soif?
Des tortues, des alpacas qui pleurent.
Tyler best friend, but Tyler's sleeping. Tyler best friend's over here, but he's sleeping. So he's missing out on the turtles. I guess we're gonna have to take him back when he's awake. So we are now in the Shark Kingdom, as Babe says. So let's see what is here. Come here, so intelligent. That's not fair. We don't have anywhere else to go until him wake up. We're gonna have to carry him back. So Tyler is sleeping, and I didn't want to come here until he's awake. We're gonna have to carry him back when he's awake.